Remember the bulgogi I showed you guys how to make last time? Well, in order to not waste food, I'm going to show you guys how to repurpose it and make some tacos, so stay tuned. To start making the tacos, I grab a cutting board and then I also grab a handful of cilantro. I then chop that up and then I put it onto a little plate. I then also grab a slab of red cabbage, and as you can see, I start cutting it like this in thin slices and then I just keep that aside. You'll see what I do with it. I also grab a lettuce. And also, this is not closed off to these ingredients. You can use any other that you want as well. After cutting my ingredients, I then make my sauce. Now I add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then 1/4 cup of mayo. And then I also grab sriracha and I put about 1 teaspoon of that, and then I also put 2 tablespoons of sour cream. By the way, for the sriracha, you can adjust it according to your preference. I then mix that all together and then I keep it aside. Do not miss out on the sauce, it's so good. I then grab 4 street tacos, and you can grab however many tacos you want. I then add some coleslaw in it, which I made from beforehand, and then I add some Mexican cheese, and then also I add in the lettuce and then the cilantro. For the red cabbage, I'm actually going to saute it. You'll see what I mean. In a cast iron pan, you'll see that I add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and then I just saute my red cabbage in there. By the way, this is on medium-high heat. After about 5 minutes, it should be done, and it might be even quicker depending on what type of pan that you use. Once I keep that aside, I then add another tablespoon of sesame oil, and then I add in my beef bulgogi that I had in the fridge. Because I had leftovers, I'm adding in, you can say, about 1 cup of the beef bulgogi. I then saute that until it gets warm again, and honestly, this will be done super quick, so it's about another 5 minutes. I then transfer to the tacos that I laid out earlier that I showed you guys, and then I add it generously to each taco. Once I do that, I then add my sauce, and honestly, that's about it. That's really all that it takes, and it's so delicious. I hope you guys enjoy. By the way, sometimes I add mango and a hint of lime if I have it in the fridge. Now we can finally enjoy. We're finally done, and the best thing about this is that this little taco is packed with so much flavor. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and most importantly, we're not wasting leftovers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.